It's the time of year when the night sky is lit up by fireworks. But if they are not used safely, people and animals could be badly injured. If you're celebrating at home, there's a few things to remember. When buying fireworks, look out for the UKCA or CE marks on the box. Read the instructions to see how much space you will need. Check you have enough space in your garden to set off fireworks before you buy them. Keep fireworks in their original packaging. Lock them out of reach of small hands and paws. Keep them dry and away from sources of heat and ignition. Keep cats and dogs inside. Let nearby farms and stables know in advance, as some animals find fireworks distressing. Read all the instructions before using a firework. If you don't understand them, don't use the firework. Dispose of used fireworks safely. Ensure they are out. Soak them in water overnight. Then bag and bin them. Following these steps will help you have fun and stay safe. To find out more, visit gov.uk and search My Safety Fireworks.